Hello class 6, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to describe the third chapter, Taro's Reward. It is a story of a boy, Taro, who was very thoughtful and loved his father very much, who was shivering with the cold and wanted to have some warm drink called sake. He tries to work hard to get that expensive drink. Once during chopping the woods in the jungle, he hears some tinkling song of water. He runs to that direction where the sound was coming and finds there was a fountain which does not have water but sake, for which he was working hard. He brings that sake to his father, who drinks and danced with joy and offered a cup of sake to every villager with the story of the miracle. Next day, all the villagers reached to the fountain but found no sake over there, as it was a miracle only for the Taro. They get angry on Taro and returned from the village, and again when Taro filled his bucket, it was sake, which was a miracle for him due to his thoughtfulness and lovingness to his parents. In the end, when the king of the Japan heard the story, he rewarded Taro with 20 gold coins and named the most beautiful fountain of his country after Taro to encourage the children to love and obey their parents. Now the exercises of the chapter. There is a fill in the blanks. A dash woodcutter lived on a dash hillside. He was a dash son who worked dash but earned dash money. One day he saw a dash waterfall which was hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found a dash. And the answers are: a young woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. He was a thoughtful son who worked hard but he earned little money. One day he saw a little waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it delicious. Question number 1. Why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? The answer is: Taro ran in the direction of the stream because he was thirsty. Secondly, he had never before heard the sound of a falling water in that area. Question number 2. How did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking sake? Answer: Sake gave warmth as well as energy to the old man. Taro's father stopped shivering and started dancing. In this way, he showed his happiness. Question number 3. Why did the waterfall give Taro sake and others water? The waterfall obliged Taro and changed water into sake. The reason was that he was thoughtful son. He served his old parents sincerely. Sake was a reward for his goodness. People were just greedy, so they got only plain water. Question number 4. Why did the villagers want to drown Taro? Answer: the villagers went to the waterfall to collect sake, but they got only plain cold water. They thought that Taro had tricked them, so they looked for Taro to punish him. Question number 5. Why did the emperor reward Taro? Answer: the emperor of Japan rewarded Taro for being good and kind towards his parents. This was emperor's way to encourage all children to respect, obey and serve their parents. In the next exercise, you have to arrange the words below in pairs that rhyme. Sad, bad, good, wood, chop, stop, sound, pound, last, fast, way, day, wax, rags. Exercise number 1. Write against each two new words that rhyme with it. Number 1, bed, shed, lead. Number 2, wax, x, fax. Number 3, fast, last, cast. Number 4, chop, cop, flop. Number 5, young, among, tongue. Next exercise, working with language. Strike off the words in the box below that are not suitable. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was thoughtful, hardworking, loving, honest, considerate, trustworthy, and efficient kind. Answers: honest, trustworthy, and efficient could be not suitable for the question, but rest are suitable. So you have to point out 3 words. Next, B. Mark the right item. Number 1. Taro earned very little money because. Third, the price of wood was very low. Number 2. Taro decided to earn extra money. Second, to buy his old father some sake. Number 3. The neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because she wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Next exercise, which is also tick the correct option. Number 1. This made Taro sadder than ever. Answer. Third, Taro's inability to buy expensive sake for his father. Number 2. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. Answer is second, rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. Next exercise. These sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. This made Taro dash than ever sadder. He decided to work dash than before harder. Number 3. Next morning Taro jumped out of bed dash than usual earlier. Number 4. He began to chop even faster. Number 5. Next morning Taro started for work even dash than the morning before. Answer is earlier. So write down all this work in your copy and learn them. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.